How to check Roku Remote Battery Level. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check Roku Remote Battery Level. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The Roku Remote is central to how you experience your Roku streaming player or smart TV. However, when the remote batteries runs out, then you are out of luck. You cannot easily control your smart TV or streaming player unless you have set up the Roku Mobile App with your Roku device. So, before you run out of batteries, try to routinely check on the battery levels. Here's how. To check the battery level of your Roku remote, go to Settings and then tap on Remotes and Devices option, and further tap on the Remotes option. Now select the remote that's set up with your Roku device. In my case, I have the Roku voice remote, and then select About. This section has detailed information about your remote, including the battery level, MAC address, firmware version, remote name, and model. So this is how you can check Roku remote battery level. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.